What's your process? What's your act? What's your story? Sinabi na ng konti kanina ni Atty. Drew, maraming struggle. Mahihirapan ka. Guys, mamimili ka lang ng act. Mamimili ka lang ng process flow. Sa buhay na to, madaming mahirap. Sa buhay na to, maraming struggle. Anong gusto mo? Nag-struggle ka, ang ending struggle pa rin. O gusto mo mag-struggle ka, pero ang ending mo, ang yaman. Mamili ka ng act. And when you choose your end, you believe. You feel your heart. You feel the crowd right now. Lahat tayo na nasa Coliseum na to, gusto natin lahat umangat. Tama o tama? Lahat sa Coliseum na to, gusto lahat tayo mag-Millionaires Club. Lahat sa Coliseum na to, gusto lahat mag-car achievers. Tama o tama? Lahat sa Coliseum na to, gusto lahat magkaroon ng properties. With an S. Hindi property. Properties. Now we can all achieve this. The question is when. The answer is beyond. When you say beyond, pwede next year, next month, next week, bukas. Pwedeng mamaya.
Yes.
Because it's a process. Many experts will tell you, you need to believe first in your mind. You need to believe first in your heart. You need to believe first in your action before it will become